What's up, YouTube?
It's going?
Yeah.
Oh.
Tell me what we about to do. Tell what you gotta be in here doing.
We finna make bacon cheeseburgers and fries.
That's it?
Yes. It is.
You forgot about something. You forgot something. What we put on the burgers?
Bacon, eggs, and whatever condiments.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
I think so.
Yeah, man, you heard it here first, you know what I'm saying? Your boy up in here cooking, you know what I'm saying?
We're cooking in my new house. I'm excited. Okay, that light is messing it up.
Hey, bro.
I just told you to put it on here.
You know I'm used to cooking, you know what I'm saying? I used to be in them pots, you feel me?
He lying. He don't whip nothing. You making the fries.
I'm making it, bro, I don't know how to make the fries, bro.
All you gotta do is fry them.
You fry fries? So you burn the burgers?
What the fuck was that?
Show them the ingredients. What we working with?
There's the ingredients over there.
Come on, you gotta explain it to me. What's going on? You know what I'm saying? We got some what is this? Ground beef. We got some onion powder. What is these for? What is all this for? Paprika. What we got for paprika?
That's for the burger.
That's for the burger?
Seasoning, yeah.
Alright, bet. So what's the oil for? The fries?
Yeah.
And we got some Arby's curly fries. You know what I'm saying? Hey Arby's.
Here, let me take my.
Sponsor me, bro. You know what I'm
Oh
saying?
yeah, look at my ring.
Sponsor me, bit dog.
He got me a ring, y'all. This is my second ring. Hold on, let him see it. Let me see it just a little bit. Yes, my ring.
Hey Arby's, if you want to, bro, you know what I'm saying? You can hit me with that sponsorship, you know. We need some money this way. You know what I'm saying?
So, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wash our hands.
Look at you, sanitary. Good job.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna season our what's it called?
Ground beef.
Our ground beef for our burgers.
See y'all, I know more than her about cooking, bro. Like,
okay, but y'all see him,
Master
cameraman.
Chef,
That's
Master
what I'm
Chef.
saying.
You did.
That's all I gotta say. I mean, I ain't really gotta say too much. Like.
Okay, wait, what we doing with this on this plate?
We're gonna season it, baby boy. What are you doing?
I'm about to eat it.
You're disgusting. You just gonna watch me? This is so weird.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cooking show with Jewel.
Okay, but now I gotta wash my hands again.
Why?
Because.
You just gonna put your hand right back on it.
No, because I don't want to touch the seasoning with my hands are dirty.
Okay, bro.
So we finna put some Lawry's seasoning salt.
So black.
Okay, but I don't know if I'm be able to open it with my nails on.
Let me. This is what I do. You feel me? Hey, this is what I'm here for. Stuff like this.
So eggs.
You feel me? This is what I'm here for. Can I do it? Can I do the honors?
Yeah.
How much I need?
Okay, go. Okay, you're not black. Move.
Okay, wait. You feel me?
Okay. God damn. Hey, you play too much. You okay, wanna play? Your shit can be salty.
What's that for?
To put on the burger.
Okay.
You didn't put on no more seasoning. Cause you trying to have us die of blood salt.
Dude, that's too much salt. Okay, let me do it.
No.
Dang.
Real nigga. Alright, so we're gonna put on the Italian seasoning. Too much.
Way too much, bro.
It's not, because you're gonna eat
all
it.
that green stuff, bro.
Paprika!
What's paprika?
Dang, y'all, I forgot I had to take it.
Spell paprika.
Paprika.
You gonna go get the thing that just flew over there?
You gonna go get it?
Hey, you gonna go
Then you gonna go get it?
Okay.
The paprika. We don't want to put too much paprika.
I put too much of everything up.
No. Come on now. Where'd it go? Oh. Alright, and here's the onion powder. We're gonna put some of this onion powder, y'all.
Here you go, flicking caps. I'm dead.
Alright, yeah. You can never go wrong with onion powder.
Yes, you can.
You can.
Yes, you can. Y'all, that look nasty, don't it? I thought she was a sheep or something.
I am.
What did you do, y'all?
Chef J Pickle.
Oh no. Alright, come on now. What's going on? We're good with it.
Alright, now I'm finna beat
it
my
up.
meat.
I am dead. You about to do what? What you about to do?
Beat my meat.
We're gonna get back to y'all when, you know what I'm saying, our patty's looking like something.
Yeah.
So apparently, y'all, she got me making my own patty, so you know what I'm saying? How much patty you want? Cause I'm taking all this shit.
Damn.
I'm taking the whole patty.
I don't want a big patty.
That's all you got?
Yeah.
Bro, that ain't enough, bro. You better get you some more patty.
You see how big them buns is? Ain't that big? Okay, guys, this is how big my patty is going to be. All right.
Drop your patty, bro.
I ain't gonna drop my patty, bro. Don't be telling me when I drop my patty, when I drop my patty, when I want to drop my patty.
Drop your patty, bro.
Oh, you showing my drinks?
Nah.
Woo!
Go get the drink then. Hold on, you can't be dropping your patty before I drop my patty.
I'm dropping a patty.
You know what I'm saying? Your patty look
Babe,
like
that's too damn big. That's too big.
What you mean?
Flatten it out.
How?
Yep, there you go.
Now it's looking weird though.
Exactly. You gotta flatten it out.
Bro, your patty gonna be done already, bro. Help me out. Bro, you see she not helping me, bro? Like, what's going on with it?
I am. I have to get the
Is it
meat
good?
under my nails.
Look.
Perfect.
Hey. Yes, sir. It's the AveryB
Put
patty.
it on the grill. And flatten it out just a little bit.
On the grill?
Yeah. Let's level it out.
Ah. That's my patty. That's her patty. My patty messed up, bro.
That's your fault.
You see how she do me? She gonna leave me with the ugly patty. Like, come on, bro.
You made it. I let you
Oh,
make
you
it.
did.
That's exactly why I let you make your patty. That's exactly why I let him make his patty.
Whip it up, whip it up, whip it up.
Period.
Yeah.
Alright, we gonna let them cook for a minute.
What's next?
Okay, so we gonna let them cook for a minute before we start the
Fries.
fries.
Cool. We'll be back with the AveryB cooking show featuring
His wife. Don't play with me. You're married. I don't people in his comments. I'm crazy. I don't play about this one.
You just gonna poke me with them nails, bro? Like,
I'm
that's
sorry.
hurt, bro.
Oh yeah, like my nails. They blue. I took color.
Anyway, we'll be back after.
Cooking with the browns. Okay. Record the flip. You got the flip.
Yeah.
You got the flip.
Come on. Ooh, your patty burnt. Your patty ugly.
This your patty. It's not burnt though.
She burnt the patty, y'all.
It's not burnt.
Why you gonna burn? That's a fire hazard, bro.
No, it's not.
That's not cool. I thought you could cook.
I can. Don't do that. Don't do that for YouTube because period. Okay.
New alert. We got some eggs and some bacon, you know what I'm saying? Egg, bacon, grits.
Sausage.
Yeah.
So now we're finna cut this bacon. So
You
it's
did.
how many pieces do you want on your burger?
I want 2 pieces of bacon.
2?
Yeah. I want 2 pieces. And it depends how long you make your bacon.
I'm
Are
gonna
you
cut
the
them in
type of
half.
person that make the scribbled up bacon? Or is it gonna be like,
I think they're gonna shrivel up though.
but how much are they gonna shrivel
I
up?
don't know. I'm not the bacon.
Got the bacon man sizzling in, yeah. Update, we had to open the door because she was burning everything.
You're finna piss me off.
Why?
No, like that.
Why?
You really finna piss me off.
We got the eggs going on, you know what I'm saying? What kind of eggs you dropping? When you taking them off?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I'm not finna season them because you put the
You ain't gonna
whole
season them.
You put the whole thing of season salt on the damn burger.
Alright, bro, don't season them there, bro. You know what I'm saying?
You know I'm not.
Why they whistling?
Because I had to put canola oil on them. I don't want them to stick.
Okay. We'll be back with the assembling of the burger. So YouTube, you know what I'm saying? We got the big egg, you know what I'm saying, with the burger and what they call bacon, you know what I'm saying? This her little burger, you feel me? She done assembled it already, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I was just you got to choose. We got the snapping in the background, you know. About to go crazy one time. You heard me? I miss chips.
They sweet and spicy Doritos.
Sweet and spicy Doritos.
Uh-huh.
Let me see.
The purple bag.
Oh yeah, I want some chips.
You want these?
Booyah. So YouTube, I'm about to smash this, you know what I'm saying? Good cook session, even though I ain't cooked nothing, you know what I'm saying? I got the potential to cook something, you know, ain't that right? I got the potential to cook something.
You just want to be cameraman.
Hey, that's what I'm here for.
Burnt, they're not burnt. They're well done. Okay, well done.
That's what they all say.
No,
Anyways, if y'all want some more videos like this, you know what I'm saying, let me know in the description. I mean, not description, let me know in the comments, you know what I'm saying. If y'all want a couples channel, too bad, because it ain't gonna happen. Period.
like, comment if you want one though. For real, comment. Because I want to see how many people want one. Want us to have one.
What she said. But anyways, that's the end of this video. You guys stay tuned.
Comment couples channel. And if you just want him to just have his separate channel, just comment his full AveryB.
See you guys later.
I would advise y'all to comment couple channel.
I'm dead.